Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. At this moment, I am here to one of the most gorgeous and famous spa in Davao City, the Firm Spa. I am here just because few minutes from now I'm going to undergo the massage. But for now, nakasupang ako ang paa, ako ang tiil sa hot water. Kasi isa ni siya ilang standard na magkulong sa hot water. I'm going to find kinsay ma-recommend mo nga therapist nga makuha ko massage nga makuha ko ang panuhod.
Lance.
Akong stress. Lance. Okay. Thank you, Jay. Thank you for recommending that therapist. Thank you everyone, to all my friends, my subscribers. Continue to share and to likes my video clip. Continue to subscribe my YouTube channel and to follow to my Facebook.